Well, we're going on a little bit of a treasure hunt today. Should be interesting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting the truck set up and ready to roll. What do I mean by treasure hunt? Well, I'm calling it a treasure hunt because sometimes when you're treasure hunting you hit gold, sometimes you go home empty-handed or strike out. So I had a customer I just did some work for. He only lives a couple minutes away from here, and he said, you know, I'm having this big oak tree taken down. It's so big 3 guys can't wrap their arms around it, and it's straight and it's right by my driveway, and I'm just taking it down. If you can use it, come get it free. Okay, well, that has my curiosity piqued. I have not seen this thing. I don't know what it looks like, but it's only about a 10-minute ride from here and the price is right. So we're gonna go hunting, and this is either going to be something nice that we can use and it'll be a big win, or it might be firewood. I don't know. So I don't do a ton of this stuff, but it lined up just right here that I figured, well, let's give it a shot and see what we can get. So I got the chainsaw, may need that. I got to put my log bunks on, grab some chains, and we'll hit the road. Gas will probably help the situation. Won't do me much good without it. That's a workout in and of itself, just putting those stakes in. Of course I got one that won't drop in all the way for some reason. Now it's stuck. It's halfway in, it's not going anywhere. We're gonna roll it like that. You may have noticed I trimmed some of these stakes down a little bit. If you've been watching, you know I clipped my power line with them like a goofball a couple weeks ago. So I trimmed them all down. That won't be an issue anymore. I got the chainsaw in the truck, got a tape measure, got chains. I think we're ready to roll. On second thought, I'm gonna see if I can tap that in a little bit. It's bothering me. Oh, by the way, you guys have been following me. I ended up getting my light situation resolved. I did end up getting LEDs. Sprung for LEDs, and they look good. I haven't driven at night yet, but I think they're gonna work good. Hopefully we're home before dark tonight, but it's a little overcast. We gotta get moving here. It's the end of the day. That's a little better. I'll probably never get that out of there again. All right, let's hit the road, see what kind of trouble we can get into. Well, we made it. Take a look. It is big. Some would say huge. Let's measure. About 42 inches across. Some of you see the problem I see immediately. Nails, nails, nails. Not so good. That in of itself wouldn't be terrible, except let's look at the other side. Nails, 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 nails. I think this is a strikeout. Besides being covered in a tremendous amount of poison ivy, which I don't really want to deal with. Branch, 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 branch. Big isn't always great. It is big and it is straight, so what he told me is correct, but as a saw log, I don't think so. This is a miss. Luckily I didn't drive too far. In full disclosure, if I was going more than 10 minutes, I would have got pictures or more information, but you know, it's worth a drive. I didn't want to pest too much for, you know, something somebody's offering for free. I'm gonna make a phone call and tell them I'm probably not gonna take this for lumber and see where we stand. Yeah, I'm leaving it. I'm not in the tree removal business. I'm not in debris removal, and I can't get anything out of it. If it had a posted sign on one side, I'd probably take a shot, because there is a nice section of butt log there that would make a lot of nice lumber, but with nails on two sides, you're guaranteed to get more money into blades than you could ever get out of that. So I'm gonna tuck my tail between my legs, drive home. So I got the truck out, ran it a little bit, you know, because diesel fuel is free, but what are you gonna do? You win some, you lose some. I've hit absolute home runs on deals like this, where somebody just was looking to get rid of something that was worth a lot, and then you get these occasional deals. So I don't know. You win some, you lose some. Either way, it's a video for you guys. So I'll catch you on the next one, and maybe we'll actually do some productive work or something, but not the outcome I was expecting. I was expecting to get you lots of action shots, loading this giant log on the truck and taking it home and all that stuff, but hey, this is real life. It doesn't always work out that way. Catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.